the 4th of July and institutions are finally the ones driving the first real early Bitcoin bull cycle. This has been shown through a few different metrics. We'll have one pop up on screen here. This tweet by Willy Woo explains it in a little bit of a complex way. But what you really need to understand, the most important basic piece of information is almost every single bull market has been catalyzed by retail in cryptocurrency. And specifically the last bull cycle, we saw stimulus checks and other types of new money flowing into the economy. And this allowed for a lot of people to YOLO into altcoins, and effectively retail got way ahead of where the institutions were. Well, this very well might be the first bull cycle where the institutions are pulling the train back and starting ahead of the retail crowd. This might sound like it's a evil, sinister, nasty thing. Of course, you could easily buy Bitcoin and get ahead of the institutions. Most of you didn't. That's okay. It's been a crazy time. But the reality is that these institutions are finally getting ready. And when you see the type of inflows that have been happening on the back of the news that Blackrock, that Fidelity, that all these major asset managers, I'm not going to list them all, are actually finally getting their claws in for a Bitcoin ETF, we're starting to see what very well might be the future of cryptocurrency evolving right in front of our face. And that begins with Bitcoin, that begins with institutions leading the pack. Now, we all really want to understand what the future of crypto and freedom will look like. But for now, what I can say is that it's a pretty bullish thing that here in the United States, celebrating the birth of this nation, we get to see the first real inklings of the United States as a crypto-friendly hub, as a crypto hub in general, starting with Bitcoin and then eventually, in my opinion, working to other parts of the industry. Of course, it will be a push and pull, but in the end, America has always been the land of innovation, business, money markets, freedom, all that jazz. I believe that it will once again in the future, once it digests the new crazy world of cryptocurrency, it will eventually emerge as a hub. I mean, it's the hub, it's the leader in almost every other industry. So it makes absolutely no sense that crypto would be the one sort of ugly stepchild that gets pushed to the side, and other nations are the only ones who get to benefit. Again, on the birth of the United States nation here, I can't help but be a little bit optimistic. As you guys all know, I'm an American, I love being American, and I certainly am optimistic about the future of crypto in America. With the BTC ETF and all this news, the institutions buying, we all know how the bread gets buttered here in the United States. Once the big money has a very clear interest, a very clear upside, well, the rest seems to always work itself out. And that's something that I believe will be true this time, as it has been so many times before. As always, I hope you guys are having a lovely time here. I hope you guys have been enjoying this early bull cycle, as I believe this is the magic time. When people around you still think crypto's for crazy people, when it hasn't started hitting mainstream news, when your favorite TikToker isn't telling you 5 altcoins to invest in, these are the magical slow times where there actually are opportunities. And when I mean actual opportunities, of course there are opportunities throughout the bull cycle. There were opportunities up until the last Pico top day of 2021. There were opportunities in 2022. There were opportunities even last year in December. But the real opportunities come from being able to buy, not just one asset, but most assets in the ecosystem that do have a future. And that means community marketing, go-to-market strategy, products, infrastructure, whatever is the narrative behind that project, and that those will survive to make headlines, to make some waves in the new bull cycle. And those projects are mostly cheap, in my opinion, compared to where they will be in the next bull cycle. And that's where the opportunity comes. Not just from the possibility of making money, but the probability of making money being significantly higher when you buy at these lows. When you buy when other people are scared, when you buy when other people are pretty much not in the industry. The one group of people that we know is entering the industry is the institutions. And if you don't think that's bullish, well, please encourage you to look at the history of every other financial market. This is bullish. It also comes with some thorns, and one of those thorns will be, of course, protecting the right for self-custody and the freedoms, the immutability, the actual right to own your crypto outright. That is a huge right that we should protect, but that's a battle for a different day. As always, if you guys are enjoying this, and you guys have been enjoying the early bull cycle vibes, you know what to do. Smash up those likes and get ready, because I believe the next few years will be an absolute fun ride, whether we have some nice little dumps down to pick up some cheaper coins, or whether it ends up being a God candle up to 100K. I believe that we're in for quite another cycle. And again, I'm just ready for it. I'm excited for it. We've been through a lot of bearish times. So hopefully we can start entering into a nice bullish timeline soon. If you guys like this one, make sure you click on this video. I'm not sure, this is a new camera. Let me know if you guys like the new camera. I'm trying it out here. And make sure you watch this video, it's even better. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.